Witness the explosive collisions of galaxies and nebulas captured by the Hubble Space Telescope, including the stunning merger of NGC 2207 and IC 2163. Galaxies are massive, gravitationally bound systems consisting of stars, stellar remnants, and dark matter. The Hubble Space Telescope has captured stunning images of cosmic collisions, including the merger of NGC 2207 and IC 2163. NGC 2207 and IC 2163 are two spiral galaxies located about 130 million light-years away in the constellation Canis Major. Their merger has triggered the formation of new stars, with some regions experiencing a tenfold increase in star birth. Cosmic collisions like this one can lead to the creation of new, more massive galaxies, shaping the universe as we know it. Boost your gaming performance with these 5 simple tips, including reducing blue light exposure and taking regular breaks to stretch. And learn how professional gamers like Ninja and Doctor. 60% of gamers experience eye strain due to prolonged screen time, affecting their gaming performance. Blue light exposure can reduce melatonin levels by 23%, disrupting sleep patterns and gaming focus. Taking a 10 to 15-minute break every hour can boost gaming productivity by up to 15% and reduce fatigue. Professional gamers like Ninja and Doctor prioritize sleep, aiming for 7 to 9 hours to optimize their gaming skills. Stretching exercises can increase gaming reaction time by 15% and reduce the risk of carpal tunnel syndrome.
Explore the innovative features of the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip, including its foldable screen and 5G connectivity. The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip is the world's first foldable smartphone with a clamshell design. Its 6.7-inch dynamic AMOLED display seamlessly folds and unfolds without a visible crease. With 5G connectivity, the Galaxy Z Flip offers blazing fast data speeds of up to 20 gigabits per second. The phone's advanced hinge system allows for multiple angle stops, enabling hands-free video recording. The Galaxy Z Flip's compact design fits easily in a pocket or purse when folded. The phone's large 3300 mAh battery supports fast charging and wireless power sharing. Embark on a virtual tour of the Panama Canal, one of the world's most impressive engineering feats, and discover how it connects the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans, saving ships over 15,000 kilometers of travel. The Panama Canal is 77 kilometers long, connecting the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans. It takes around 8 to 10 hours for a ship to complete the entire canal journey. The canal's locks raise and lower ships by up to 26 meters, using over 200 million liters of water. Before the canal's construction, ships had to travel over 15,000 kilometers around Cape Horn to reach the other ocean. The Panama Canal handles over 14,000 vessels and 200 million tons of cargo every year. The canal's expansion in 2016 added a new lane, allowing Neo-Panamax ships to pass through. Meet Oscar Swahn, a Swedish shooter who won a bronze medal at the 1920 Summer Olympics in Antwerp at the age of 72, making him the oldest Olympic medalist in history. Oscar Swahn was a Swedish shooter who competed in the 1920 Summer Olympics. He won a bronze medal at the age of 72, making him the oldest Olympic medalist. Swahn competed in 3 Olympic Games, 1920, 1924, and 1928, spanning 44 years. At 72, Swan's Olympic debut was also his first medal win, an incredible achievement. The 1920 Summer Olympics, where Swahn won, were held in Antwerp, Belgium. Swan's record as the oldest Olympic medalist has stood for over 100 years, still unbeaten. Remember the 2008 Beijing Olympics, when American gymnast Nastia Liukin was robbed of a perfect score on the balance beam? At the 2008 Beijing Olympics, Nastia Liukin performed a flawless balance beam routine, or so it seemed. Liukin's score was docked 0.5 points due to a supposed mistake, dropping her from first to second place. The judges claimed Liukin took an extra step on her dismount, but replays showed she didn't. The mistake cost Liukin the gold medal, with China's Shawn Johnson taking the top spot instead. The controversy sparked outrage among fans and fellow gymnasts, who felt Liukin was robbed of her rightful title. The incident led to changes in the judging system to prevent similar mistakes from happening in the future. Witness how athletes like LeBron James and Serena Williams use positive self-talk and visualization to create a self-fulfilling prophecy of success, leading to their impressive careers and championships. Elite athletes like LeBron James and Serena Williams use positive self-talk to boost confidence and performance. Visualization techniques help athletes mentally rehearse and perfect their skills, reducing anxiety and errors. Research shows that 90% of Olympic athletes use visualization to prepare for competition, leading to improved results. LeBron James credits his visualization practice for helping him overcome self-doubt and achieve NBA championships. Serena Williams uses affirmations to overcome fear and stay focused, leading to a record 23 Grand Slam titles. In ancient Greece, slaves had some rights, including the right to buy their freedom, while in ancient Rome, slaves were considered property. In ancient Greece, slaves made up around 30% of the population, with many being POWs or debtors. Greece's Solon law allowed slaves to buy their freedom, a rare right in ancient times. Ancient Rome, however, considered slaves as property, with no rights or legal protections. Roman slaves could be punished by crucifixion, branding, or being forced to fight wild beasts. In some ancient cultures, like ancient Sumeria, slaves were allowed to own property and even slaves themselves. The ancient Hebrews' Torah prohibited Jews from enslaving fellow Jews, a unique restriction in the ancient world.
Join me as I fly the Lockheed Martin F-22 Raptor in DCS World, experiencing its incredible stealth capabilities firsthand. The Lockheed Martin F-22 Raptor is a fifth-generation, single-seat, twin-engine fighter jet. Its stealth design reduces its radar cross-section to the size of a marble, making it nearly invisible. The F-22's advanced materials and curved surfaces deflect radar waves, minimizing detection. The Raptor's top speed exceeds Mach 2, or over 1,450 miles per hour, making it one of the fastest jets. The F-22 is equipped with advanced avionics and sensors, allowing it to engage targets beyond visual range. With its stealth capabilities and advanced sensors, the F-22 can dominate the skies without being detected.
Get a natural energy boost with these simple posture exercises, inspired by dancer and choreographer Misty Copeland. Good posture can increase energy levels by up to 20% by reducing fatigue and strain. Misty Copeland, a renowned dancer, swears by posture exercises to boost energy and confidence. Engaging your core is key to improving posture and can be done in just a few minutes a day. Simple exercises like shoulder rolls and chest opens can help correct slouching and improve alignment. Regular posture exercises can also improve breathing, reducing stress and anxiety naturally. By incorporating these exercises into your daily routine, you can experience a noticeable energy boost within weeks.